We're in Anstruther Fish Bar, or at Anstruther Fish Bar, and we're in Scotland, and the wind's a bit heavy, so I'm hoping to be able to get some of that wind noise out of there. Now, this is supposed to be, according to many, the best fish and chip shop in Scotland. It's windy. I hope everything doesn't blow away. But we've got a bit of newspaper here, a bit of, it's brand new actually, but it's on a roll, which is really interesting. And I'm going to cut this in half. This is red pudding, and I'm told it's a favourite around here. It's made up of all kinds of meats, and it certainly looks interesting. You can taste the bacon in it, along with other meats, the herbs. Now this one, I'm trying to hold things down here at the same time. It's got a chill to it as well today, but it was throwing it down yesterday, so we're made up. This is the white pudding, and again, I've never tried this before either. So these are two new things for me, and here we go. Now that's nice. The beef dripping that it's cooked in really sets that up. And it's a lovely light batter. Not a drop of grease on it, nothing. And that's what we want. Oh yeah, there's a little catch here. So we hold that back, get that in there. I had to try these because these are their Pittenweem prawns. Now Pittenweem is a place as well. It's where they're catching these prawns here up the coast. It's a langoustine, same as you would have in a good scampi. Now scampi can be all kinds of things, prawn tails, but we use langoustines again here in the UK for our scampi, for our good scampi. I'm going to try a little bit with their in-house tartar sauce. And yeah, you can see it's whole tail. I always look for whole tail, not really the mashed up stuff. Absolutely delicious. And what we've got here is, ooh, that wind. We've got their curry, their in-house curry. Look at that, how thick that is. That is really delicious. So far, so great. Now then, on the board, you've got fish of the day. And the fish is brought in here. And the name of the boat or the vessel that's brought it in is on the board. So they've brought in haddock. So, I mean, it doesn't get any fresher than that, does it? But they've got monkfish and other sorts of fish coming in later on today, apparently. But, you know, you'd have thought real early morning. But I don't know what time the fishing boats do come in. But it's pretty rough out there. Haddock and chips. I mean, how good does that look? And each one was like a fillet of haddock with another bit of haddock on top. Everyone was served the same, whether you sat in or not. But before I get into that, let's go for these chips while they're still warm. Yeah, I love beef dripping chips. And I'm going to break open this bit. And we're going to go for it. Not only is it a beautiful bit of coastline, but it's worth it just to pop in down here. I believe there's another couple of chips along here you could always try, but I'm not going any further than this today. So that's it. It's back to the computer, look at a few reviews, write me home, see you there. Going to make the most of this day. It's beautiful. Now, as you can see by that, it was an incredible meal. Everything was fresh. It felt fresh. It tasted fresh. It looked fresh. The place was spotless. The people all seemed happy eating their meals. There was one thing that really sort of got my curiosity going, and that was why each fish had one piece of fish with another piece of fish battered, another battered piece of fish on top, a smaller one. And it seemed to be every fish that was going out was like that, whether it was a takeaway or whether it was at the table. So I made some inquiries, and I was told by a member of staff it was because each piece of fish, or each serving of fish, I should say, is weighed to make sure that everybody gets something very, very similar, an approximate weight. So really, there's no, that's bigger than mine, or this is bigger than mine. So everybody gets pretty much the same. So I know they can't be exact, but they do try to do what they can. I like that. Fish of the day. You know, it was whatever's coming in the harbour locally. I would have to mention as well, there was a lovely couple from the US, from North America, and they came round chatting to us. I couldn't get them on camera. They were sort of off the camera, and I thought, oh, so I had to really basically cut that because it didn't seem to look right. So it was nice, and they have been in contact since. And yeah, they were enjoying their trip around Scotland like we were. So 2-star. So disappointed with the quality of the food. The battered haddock came in 2 small pieces and was really thin and overcooked. Chips were hard and again overcooked. Not what I expected at all from the awards this restaurant has received. Now, it's like I said about the 2 pieces of fish together. I mean, I hope I explained it there, but from what I'm told, they're going to explain it even better. They're going to put a post up about that themselves on their Facebook page, I'm told. 3-star. Nice place, right by the sea. The fish bar is highly praised. The food is okay. Everyone has to decide for themselves whether the journey here is worth it. Approximately 1.5 hours from Edinburgh. 5-star. Always enjoy visiting the fish bar. Even being a local, it's always worth the drive, and always worth taking any visitors to Scotland there for the best chippy they have ever had. After many, many visits, it truly is amazing how the food is constantly excellent. Mine, 5-star. Rated by many as the best chip shop in Scotland, I knew I had to experience it for myself. Ideally located on the promenade with views of the sea and harbour. The shop featured a good-sized dining area and an efficient takeaway. The place was clean, well organised and bustling, with people enjoying their traditional chippy meals. The haddock was coated in a deliciously light batter and cooked in beef dripping. The fish itself was moist, fresh, and absolutely worth the visit. The Pittenweem prawns, or langoustines, were also a highlight, encased in a light, crispy batter. Both the tartar sauce and curry sauce were superb accompaniments. The red pudding and white pudding, both fried in the same beef dripping batter, were unusual but tasty, with the red pudding being a particular local favourite. I think it's a Fife thing, really, the red pudding. All in all, an excellent experience at a truly remarkable chippy. Cooking in, beef dripping, hygiene rating, pass, cash or card, fish reviewed, haddock. What an incredible fish and chip shop. I'll be back there again. Hopefully try a few more locally and a few more along that coastline. See you on the next one. If you like this video, subscribe, share it, like it, hit the notification bell, and if you have any recommendations in your area, put them in the comments. Thank you.